Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the channel Sultan Technical. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Today our topic is Woocommerce dropshipping. This is about Woocommerce dropshipping. This is a platform. You can manage your entire dropshipping operation from within Woocommerce. Includes Aliexpress integration and Amazon affiliate support. With this Woocommerce dropshipping, you can manage these operation of your entire dropshipping. This is Woocommerce dropshipping dashboard, main dashboard with more features. This is the latest update of Woocommerce dropshipping. Drive forward performance with Woocommerce dropshipping. This is the dashboard of Woocommerce. Dropshipping made easy. Woocommerce dropshipping is designed to make dropshipping easy and hassle-free. This lets you sell more and more less, work less. Woocommerce dropshipping is a powerful store management tool for dropshipping stores. It is deal for managing a dropshipping store. This can manage a dropshipping store starting Aliexpress dropshipping with our free Google Chrome extension. You can also start dropshipping Aliexpress with these extensions. Setting profit margins for Aliexpress products based on a percentage or fixed amount offset. Local suppliers dropshipping and fulfillment. Suppliers can fulfill orders when their products are purchased through your store. Quickly importing inventory per supplier. You can quickly import the inventory per supplier. Assigning inventory to specific suppliers. Amazon affiliate support. Custom emails, packaging slip and invoices for suppliers and customers. Packing slip vertage. Supplying tracking number of products to the client. You can also track number of products for the client. Their main features. Dropshipping main features. Woocommerce. Woocommerce dropshipping is helping Woo sellers by expanding their horizons. If you are looking for a solution to start dropshipping with Aliexpress local suppliers around you, or want to become an Amazon associate, this is the plugin for you. Woocommerce dropshipping provides everything you need to start a successful dropshipping business. These are the main features of Woocommerce dropshipping. Drive forward performance with Woocommerce dropshipping dashboard. This is the dashboard of Woocommerce dropshipping. Get insight into your dropshipping business by visiting dropshipping dashboard. Dashboard provides the following information about your listings. These are the following information: number of orders and projected profit, products that are out of stock, numbers of orders for Aliexpress products, pending or fulfilled orders of the other local suppliers, completed orders of the other local suppliers, active affiliate products, best selling products of your store, products low on stock. These are the products low on stock. These are the following information about the listings in dashboard. You can choose anyone from these dashboard informations. Aliexpress dropshipping with free Google Chrome extension. bulk import products from Aliexpress. With the help of our dynamic Chrome extension, you can easily find, compare, and select the best products and shipping methods for your store. Simply tweak your products, add to queue, and import products in bulk from Aliexpress website. You can bulk import products from Aliexpress website. These are the Aliexpress shipping products. Importing the individual products and variations. For individual product, import visit product page on Aliexpress and make changes to product title, description, image, and variations as seems suitable to you, and then add product to store with Woocommerce Dropshipping Chrome extension. Woocommerce Dropshipping also allows you to import comments with images from Aliexpress website. It can help your customers know how product would look like when they receive it. Also, scenic price variation and stocks by clicking update product or compare on Aliexpress. This is the stock of Aliexpress WooCommerce dropshipping variations. Setting profit margins for Aliexpress products. Set profit margins for Aliexpress products based on a percentage or fixed amount offset from WooCommerce dropshipping plugin and enjoy hassle-free dropshipping. These are the Aliexpress order automation. Our free Google Chrome extension allows for automatic completion of shipping details on new orders via your Aliexpress login. There is no need to manually type out order details. When our clients purchase Aliexpress products from your store, clicking on the place order from the orders will automatically redirect you to specific product on Aliexpress. Shipping and billing address of your clients will automatically fill up. This saves a lot of time when you have a lot of orders in line. This is the Aliexpress order automation. Local supplier dropshipping and fulfillment. Suppliers can fulfill orders when their products are purchased through your store. With local supplier dropshipping, assign products to suppliers and allow them to fulfill orders from within your website by assigning them a separate account for orders. Local suppliers dropshipping techniques allow you to dropship from suppliers who even don't have any online presence. Add dropshipping suppliers and quickly import inventory. Easily manage, add and update dropshipping supplier information. View a supplier's email details, product count, and more. Supplier inventory can be imported from a CSV file provided by your supplier. This is great for bulk assigning products to the same supplier. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.